What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSR254. You tune in for another one. Make sure you click that subscribe button and click that bell so you don't miss another video. Dropping videos currently 5 times a week. That means if I got them, I'm dropping. So make sure that you tune in. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you every time one drop, you know what it is. Currently dropping at 4 p.m. The alternative time is going to be 10 a.m., which we may be switching to in the future. So just make sure you have the notification bell on daily, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Occasionally a live stream here and there. But you'll never miss any of those things if you have a notification bell. So remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Don't.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
All right, what's going on, guys? It's your boy LSR254, man, tuning for another one. As you can see, we moved the boost out of the corner. I know that I told y'all I was planning on bringing y'all more content or just getting this bad boy. I mean, it runs, it's good. I just hadn't been driving it because I've been working on this and box heavy outside and everything like that. So I definitely, wanted to address whatever we had on the board for it. So the number one thing we had on the board for the booster was exhaust, right? So the issue is, so as you can see, and I mean, I've never really looked at it since I've had the bike, but it looks to be just like a little clamp there, clamping on a non-baffled tip, so to speak. As you can see there. And so the same was on the other side. She's so sexy. It's that booster thing, baby. So the same thing was going on this side. However, I'm not exactly sure how it broke off, but it broke off. So I needed to get down here and look and see pretty much what my options were as far as going forward. Now, let me turn the light on for you. All right, so there we go. As you can see, that's the exhaust manifold. Comes down, it splits off. As far as I know, these boosters were the only ones, other than like maybe I think some Kawasaki's that had the dual exhaust on it. The thing is that those dual mufflers are very, very, very hot. Well, not hot, but heavy. You can see down off in there. So I'm guessing what happened is that when the old exhaust was on there, see, it's really not enough to crimp anything on there. See. So basically, it looks like I'm going to have to get I mean, I can run it like this, or the probably better solution would be to get another header. Probably run us about $100 or so, and take that one off. We'll take this one off, replace it with a new one, and then it'll give us something to where we can at least start. Now, we could go that stock route, or we could go aftermarket. I don't know if y'all are that familiar with bikes, but bike parts, just like car parts, are not cheap. If anything, hell, it may be even more expensive, to be quite honest with you. So, like I said, I'm not 100% sure which way we're gonna go yet, but that is the question. It is the question. The front tire looks. Is that? Probably could use a front tire. I mean, she been, like I said, she been sitting, man. So, but yeah, I definitely want to look into getting possibly something for the exhaust. Not a requirement. It would be a little bit nicer for this shit to be a little bit quieter, so I can hear my music when I'm riding. However, you know, I guess the price of fame. Well, not necessarily the price of fame, but you know, whatever. A couple more things that I know that I probably need to tinker or look into. I know my brother was telling me something about my back brake being like, mad stiff. So I'm gonna look into that as well. I don't know if it's just the fluid, it needs to be bled, but we'll look off into it. Might be just a little proportioning valve or the cylinder, but we'll figure it out. But yeah, y'all let me know, man. Do y'all think I should go? Because if I replace the header on the bike, then I may. Let me see. I'm trying to light off.